Hi Bill, Bona, what are you doing? Okay, I'm discussing with Bona. Discussing about what? About COVID-19. Oh, COVID-19. Okay, Bill, do you know about the World Tourist Attraction, Bill? Yes, why not? Can you little bit explanation about World Tourist Attraction? Okay. According to Kyle McCartney as a co-founder and editor at Family Travel Forum, the trusted vacation planning resource for those who have kids still travels. He has contributed regularly to United States news and world reports in 2015 covering travel and tourism. Okay, can you tell me a little bit explanation about the World Tourist Attraction Bill? Okay, maybe as far as I know, according to Cale McCarty, the first Statue of Liberty, New York Harbor. Okay, officially known as the Statue of Liberty, and later named what the world the chopper Lady Liberty was gifted by France as symbol of friendship and dedicated in 1886. Concept by the National Park Service, it can be easily seen for the Free Station Island Ferry, but towed the museum at its base or climbed the 377 steps spiral a staircase into the fascinating crown. You must book ahead with statue cruise. Oh my god. And then next maybe. Okay. Next for example, okay, Great Pyramid of Giza. Great Pyramid of Giza in Egypt. Okay. The last of seven wonders of the ancient world, standing and more than 3,000 years old, the Great Pyramid rises 479 feet from 754 feet square base. And scientists still don't understand how the ancient Egyptians were able to move, carve, and erect more than 2 million stone block, each weighing 4 to 60 tons. It's one of three pyramids to tour on the Giza Plateau. Get there early to purchase entry ticket or work with a local tour operator. Oh my god. Okay, next Bill. Maybe what? Okay, maybe next we are going to talk about the Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower in Paris. Located in the best place to visit in France, the Eiffel Tower sells about 7 million tickets annually, and it's appreciated at a distance by what? By all Paris visitors. Completed for the 1869 exposition. Universally, after 2 years of construction, it has 1,665 steps to the top and elevators to observation level. Computer program beacon with are seen up to 50 miles away. Complement to tower 2000 light bulb as part of thrilling our our night show designed to celebrate the millennium. Oh my god. Okay, next Bill. Okay, maybe the last do you know about the Ubud Bali? Yes, I know about Ubud Bali. Okay, Ubud Bali. Maybe topping many ticket lists, the Indonesian island of Bali is a Hindus enclave that has welcomed Westerners to it for more than a century, hosting New Asian traditional culture alongside a beachfront party scene. Ubud, a hilltop inland village surrounded by Instagram-worthy rice field, already the epicenter of yoga, Pan-Asia foodie culture, elaborate family ceremonies, was made even more popular by the book and film Eat, Pray, and Love. Okay, maybe that's all. Okay, Bill, thank you for attention. Maybe you have. Oke, kalau menurut saya tadi penjelasan Billy tentang patung Liberty itu yang ada di pelabuhan New York. secara resmi dikenal sebagai patung Liberty mencerahkan dunia. Tembaganya aja patung Liberty ini diberikan oleh pemerintahan Prancis ya, sebagai simbol persahabatan dan didedikasikan pada tahun 1886. Dilestarikan oleh National Park Service, dapat dengan mudah dilihat dari Island Ferry. Tetapi untuk mengunjungi museum ini didasarnya atau menaiki tangga spiral 377 langkah ke mahkota yang menakjubkan ya, ke kepala yang pakai obor itu. Kita harus memesan terlebih dahulu dengan Statue Cruises ya. Oke, dan yang kedua tadi itu tentang piramid ya, tentang piramid yang terakhir dari 7 keajaiban dunia kuno ya, berdiri itu berusia lebih dari 3000 tahun. Piramida besar menjulang 479 kaki dari dasar, 754 kaki persegi. Para ilmuwan masih belum memahami bagaimana orang Mesir dapat memindahkan, mengukir dan mendirikan lebih dari 2 juta balok batu masing-masing berbobot 2 hingga 60 ton. Ini adalah salah satu dari 3 piramid untuk dikunjungi di dataran tinggi Giza ya. Sampai di sana lebih awal untuk membeli tiket dulu, itu seperti itu ya. Oke, yang ketiga adalah Menara Eiffel Paris ya. Terletak di tempat terbaik. Ini dikunjungi di Prancis ya. Menara Eiffel menjual sekitar 7 juta tiket setiap tahun dan dihargai dari kejauhan oleh semua pengunjung Paris. Selesai untuk pameran 1889. Universal setelah 2 tahun konstruksi memiliki 1665 anak tangga ke atas dan lift kedua tingkat observasi. Suara yang diprogram komputer yang terlihat hingga 50 mil jauhnya, melengkapi 20.000 bola lampu menara sebagai bagian dari pertunjukan malam yang mendebarkan yang dirancang untuk merayakan milenium. Oke. Dan yang terakhir kita ngomongin ini Ubud ya, Ubud Bali ya. Ubud Bali, coy, kita ngomongin Ubud Bali ya. Menurut banyak daftar Pulau Bali di Indonesia adalah kebanyakan Hindu yang telah menyambut orang Barat selama lebih dari 1 abad ya, menjadi tuan rumah zaman baru dan budaya tradisional di samping adegan pesta tepi pantai. Ubud, desa pedalaman di puncak bukit yang dikelilingi oleh pesawahan di Instagram World yang sudah menjadi epicentrum yoga, kuliner, pan Asia dan upacara. Oke, seperti itu mungkin maksud Billy. Terima kasih. Jangan lupa like and subscribe ya. Oke.